The Lupar light bulb changer pole kit is a highly versatile tool that extends up to 12 feet, allowing you to safely and easily change light bulbs in high ceilings without the need for a ladder. Crafted from lightweight, high-quality aluminum, this pole is not only durable, but also easy to handle, making it perfect for both residential and commercial settings. The kit includes 3 different bulb gripper attachments, accommodating various bulb types such as standard incandescent, floodlights, and recessed lights, thus enhancing its versatility. Designed with user safety in mind, the pole features a flip cam locking mechanism and comfortable anti-skid sponge handles to prevent slippage during use. This tool is particularly effective for changing recessed light bulbs thanks to its secure attachment design and quick-release cord for effortless detachment. Beyond bulb changing, the multi-purpose pole's threaded aluminum head allows it to be used with other tools, making it an invaluable addition to any maintenance toolkit.